Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can add user by username on Telegram. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. So what you have to do is open up Telegram app, log into your Telegram account. Once you do that, what you guys have to do is on the top right, you guys can see this search icon. Hit on that and there search for the person that you want to start a chat with. So for example, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just randomly type AWAIS. Alright, so what you guys can do is you guys can type in the complete username over here and then look for the person that you want to start a chat with. So for the course of this video, I'm just tapping on this last user, and then I'm gonna just text him hi, just for the course of this video. So head on this Avaz and then type in hi so that it can be saved into your Telegram chat. All right. So here, as you guys can see, this is on the top. You guys can see the person that I have sent a text to. I have added a username. I have added this user into my Telegram account, and I can now chat with him. And also I can send emojis or I can send pictures to it. So guys, that's how you can add user by username on Telegram, and also you guys can chat with them. All right. So guys, for the course of this video, that's it for today. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.